ओम येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंभृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्ष वेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री तत्वमसि प्रकरणम श्लोक नंबर 108। कूटस्थेपि फलम योग्यम राजनीव जयादिकम तदनात्मत्व हेतुभ्याम। दिस रीडिंग आई हैड एक्सप्लेन्ड। सेकंड रीडिंग इज तदंतात्मत्व हेतुभ्याम। करेक्ट?
Yes.
This explanation I have to give. तदंतात्मत्व हेतुभ्याम क्रियायाः प्रत्ययस्य च। So the samasa vigraha will be tat means kutastha, atma, antaha, yayoho, kriya pratyayoho, kriyayaha pratyasya cha it is given. So atma antar yayoho, kriya pratyayoho. Saha tadantatma. That atma is called tadantatma. Tat means it is antaha of kriya and pratyaya. In every kriya, atma is within. In every pratyaya, atma is within. Therefore, atma is their hetu. Atma is kriyayaha pratyayasya cha hetuhu. So either you say they are anatma, therefore atma is their ashraya. Atma becomes their hetu because they are anatma, they are jada. They cannot function by themselves. Or you say atma is within them, providing satta, and therefore it is tad antatma. Tayoho antatma. Somebody had asked what is phalam. Phalam here is moksha phalam. Kriya will be in antakarana and phalam is in kutastha, atma. How it is yogya? So it was said it is like for a raja, for a king, really he doesn't do, but there is upachara. So that we saw in introduction to 109, page number 284. Shuddha Atma does not have pramatratvam. But this pramatratvam is upacharyate in Atma. Like Raja Drashtanta. Vastutastu chit pratibhimbasya eva sopadi vyaparena swatmani adhyastena. Adhyaste na, they should not be separated. Adhyastena. Vidyate eva pramatratvam. चित् प्रतिबिंबस्य प्रमातृत्वं विद्यते एव. चित् प्रतिबिंब will have प्रमातृत्व. इति. Because Chit Pratibimba with its upadhi of buddhi, etc., there is vyapara. And therefore, it becomes pramata. And how Kutastha is pramata? Because remaining avikari, it gets the phala sambandha. Chidatmana eva avikritasya pratibimba bhava nibandhanaha phala sambandha. So the result, what is the point of discussion? Who will claim aham brahmasmi? Who will get moksha? So that is where this question is of where is the phala sambandha. So phala sambandha, can it be with anatma, or phala sambandha should be with atma? Can phala sambandha be with jada, or phala sambandha should be with chaitanya? This is the discussion. So in jada, it does not make sense. Therefore, you have to put it in chaitanya. So Acharya, through this prakriya, is also justifying Chidabhasa, which earlier also he did. Adarshastu yada bhaso mukhakarah sa eva saha yathaivam pratyayadarsho yada bhasastada hyayam. Adarshastu yada bhaso mukhakarah sa eva saha यथैवं प्रत्ययादर्शो यदा भासस्तदा ह्ययम्. Hyayam or hi aham. There is another reading also. The last word is hyayam or hyaham. So tika is according to aham. So you can make the change. I think it is better. Chidabhaso अन्वय, not Chidabhasa. Adarsha. आदर्शः यदाभासः सः एव मुखाकारः, सः एव ग्रीवास्थः. सः एव सः, सः मीन्स ग्रीवास्थः. यथा एवं यद आभासः प्रत्यादर्शः तदा हि अहम्. So what he is saying, आदर्शः यद आभासः, यद आभासः ये समस्त पद, येन मुखाकारेण विशिष्ट आभासः सः आदर्शः. आदर्श mirror is that which is united with or associated with some abhasa, some reflection. So then it has that akara, mukhakara. Saha adarsha mukhakara eva. But that adarsha mukhakara is actually grivastha mukhakara. That is purvardha. यथैवं प्रत्ययादर्शो यदा भासस्तदा ही है. यथा एवं प्रत्यय आदर्श. How this is there in the drishtanta. Adarsha is the reflecting medium, and in that there is the pratyaya. Pratyaya is in the form of all these vrittis. Vritti with chidabhasa. Pratyaya he had explained earlier. Pratyaya means vritti with chidabhasa. Yadabhasas tada hi aham. So, just as the reflection in the mirror is nothing but grivastha mukham, like that chit pratibimba is nothing but atma, aham. And therefore, the jnana phalam, mahavakya jnana phalam is possible in atma in this way. So darpanastha mukham is actually nothing but grivastha mukham. Darpan gets united by that mukham. So original face is what is the real reason behind this reflection. In the same way, Atma is where the Jnana Phalam will come, and that Atma is not different from the Pratibimba. Yena mukhakarena vishishtataya abhasate iti yadabhasah. Abhasate iti abhasah. By whichever face mukhakarena vishishtataya abhasate san adarsha. So adarsha has a visheshanam of some mukhakara. With that adarsha abhasate. Adarsho mukhakara eva. That adarsha is nothing but of the form of the mukham. And that mukham is nothing but grivastha mukham. Sa eva grivastha eva. Sa na tato anyaha. So 2, 3 in Purvardha, everything is in Prathama. Adarsha, Abhasa, Mukhakara, and Saha eva Saha. But you have to understand what he is trying to say. Yadabhasa is Samastapada. Yena abhasate iti yadabhasa. Saeva grivastha eva. Sa na tato anyaha. Yatha bimba pratibimbayor aikyam loke prasiddham ityartha. So, for vyavahar purpose, we say bimba and pratibimba are one. So my face is there in the mirror. एवं प्रत्यादर्शो अहंकारो यदाभासो येन चित् प्रतिबिंबेन आभास्यते इति यदाभासः. In the same way, yadabhasah is for ahankara, which is the adarsha for the pratyas. It is the reflecting medium where the pratyas arise. Saha chit pratibimba paramatma eva. That chit pratibimba is paramatma alone, na tato anyaha. See that line. Chit pratibimba paramatma eva. Chit pratibimba, the visarga could have been better. Na tato anyaha. That chit pratibimba is not different from Paramatma. Ahankare aham avabhasa gocharaha. That it is not different, which is otherwise known as ahankara. That itself is aham avabhasa gocharaha. Because this is the fact. In other words, you look at ahankara as Atma. See, in many places we do viveka. Atma is different, ahankara is different. Between them there is anyanya adhyasa, etc. Here how he is explaining, Atma is becoming manifest only through ahankara. Tatha sati aham brahma iti vakyartha dhir ghatate. Because of this aham brahmasmi, this vakyartha bodha is possible. But then what you have to do? Adhyastha amsha apoha matrena विना न आत्मनः कर्मत्वम् इत्यर्थः. अध्यस्तांश अपोह मात्रेण विना, if you don't do apohanam of the adhyastha amsha, then atma that you understand is not Brahma. Na atmanah karmatvam. Here karmatvam means phala sambandha. Atma will not have moksha phala sambandha unless you remove the adhyastha amsha from Atma. But who will get moksha? Atma. In other words, in the mirror, if there are some problems, some dirt is there, some spots are there on the mirror, when I see my reflection, two things I should understand simultaneously. One is the reflection is me. This normally this happens in Laukika Buddhi. This reflection is me. As soon as we stand in front of mirror. So first Buddhi is the reflection is me. Second Buddhi is mirror's problems are not my problem. Right? If mirror has any issue, immediate understanding, that is not in me. So you don't have to correct. You don't have to worry anything about your face. When you know that is the problem with the mirror. So darpanastha mukham is nothing but grivastha mukham, but darpan related problems are not my problems. If you do only one and not the other, you will have problem. This is Pratibimbavada. So that's why he says, aham brahma iti vakyartha dhihi ghatate. Aham brahma, this vakyartha jnanam is possible. But you have to do adhyastha amsha apohanam also. So Atma will claim Brahmatva, Atma will have the phalam of the Mahavakya Shravana through Chidabhasa. But it has to negate all the attributes of the Adarsha. And in that process, Adarsha is for Drashtanta. Here, in Darshtanta, what we have to get rid of?
Ahankara.
Ahankara.
Ahankara. That is what is given here. Ayam eva paksha adaraniya. Now, Acharya says, this paksha alone is adaraniya. I mean, this is the right way of thinking. So, based on this, the Vivarana Prasthana are all based on this idea. And based on the Abhasa word that is being used, Abhasavada. So, Vivarana or Pratibhimbavada and Abhasavada, their root is in Upadesha Sahasri. Upadesha Sahasri is, those who have studied from the beginning, they know that the level of maturity in this text is very different. And the audience that is expected is also expected as very mature. Unlike Viveka Chudamani and other Grantha, even Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta, here the student should understand how I am Brahma, how I am not Ahankara. How Aham Brahmasmi Vakya is true for me. I am Brahma and I should be able to say Aham Brahmasmi without any Vak, without any Manaha. See, he explains further how this mata is Adaraniya. Ityevam pratipattihi syat sadasmiti jananyatha tatvamityupadeshopi द्वारा भावादनर्थकः इत्येवं प्रतिपत्तिः स्यात् सदस्मीति च नान्यथा तत्त्वमित्युपदेशोऽपि द्वारा भावादनर्थकः इति एवं सद अस्मि इति प्रतिपत्तिः स्यात् न च अन्यथा इति एवं. In this way, Sad Asmi means Aham Brahmasmi, this pratipatti is possible. And not other way. Not any other way. Nacha anyatha. Not only the phalam, even the upadesha prakriya, he says, Tattvam iti upadesha, means Tattvamasi, this upadesho api. Anyatha Dwar abhavat anarthaka. That anyatha anvay you have to do here also. Otherwise, tattvamasi, this mahavakya also will become useless, futile. Why? Dwar abhavat. You need dwara. This we have discussed earlier, I think, right?
Yes, Swami.
Dwara is the pratibimba. Somebody who is look-alike of Atma, who is not Jada. So there the Upadesha will be given. That will become the Dwara. So Chit Pratibimba is a Dwara, but the teaching, Chidabhasa is not Brahma. But the one who is going to receive the teaching is Chidabhasa. Because he is Pramata. Evam Sati. Chidabhasa Abhyupagame Sati. Evam Sati means, Evam it is given in Shloka. Iti Evam. Evam means, when you accept Chidabhasa, then Sad Aham Asmi. Chakarat Aham Sad Asmi. Iti. Sad Aham Asmi. Aham Sad Asmi. Tattvameva त्वमेव तत् इति एवं आकारा प्रतिपत्ति ही स्यात्. This kind of pratipatti, cognition, knowledge is possible, न अन्यथा. आत्मना एव अहंकारस्य एव वा प्रमातृत्व अभ्युपगमे. Otherwise you say who has pramatritvam? Either only Atma or only Ahankara. If you accept that, pramatritva abhyupagame iti yato atah ayameva margo अनिच्छद्भिः अपि आदरणीय इति योजना. शुद्ध आत्मा cannot have pramatritva and jada ahankara cannot have pramatritva. आत्मन एव वा अहंकारस्य एव वा प्रमातृत्व अभ्युगमे. If you accept them having pramatritva iti yatah atah ayam eva margah. Yatah, since this is the only way, atah, therefore ayam eva margah. Looks like some words are to be understood through adhyahara. If you have only Atma as pramata or only ahankara as pramata, so then the teaching will remain incomplete because that conviction will not be there. Ataha, therefore, this is the only marga. Ayam eva marga. Anichhadbihi api adaraniya iti yojana. Even those who don't like it, that there should be a chidabhasa or don't want it, this is the only path. This is the only way. एवं अनभ्युपगमे न केवलम प्रतिपत्ति अनुपपत्ति अपितु उपदेशस्य अपि अनुपपत्ति. If you don't accept चिदाभास एवं अनभ्युपगमे न केवलम प्रतिपत्ति अनुपपत्ति, not only that this aham brahmasmi knowledge will not take place, upadesha itself will not happen. तो उपदेशस्य अपि अनुपपत्ति इति अतः इत्याह तत्वम्. त्वमर्थो अनुवाद द्वारेण हि तदर्थ भाव उपदेष्टव्यस्. तत्र अनुद्यमानस्य चित् प्रतिबिंबस्य अभावस् तदर्थोपदेशो निरालंबनो अनर्थकः स्यात् इति एतदाह द्वारा भावादिति. त्वम अर्थ अनुवाद द्वारेण हि तदर्थ भाव उपदेष्टव्यः. The meaning of tvam अर्थ अनुवाद द्वारेण, through अनुवाद तदर्थ भाव उपदेष्टव्य. It is nothing but tad artha only, Brahma Swarupa only. This tvam means Atma. तत्र अनुद्यमानस्य चित् प्रतिबिंबस्य अभावः. अनुद्यमानस्य चित् प्रतिबिंबस्य. So that Chaitanya Pratibimba which is not indicated, tad arthopadesho niralambano. If Chit Pratibimba which is not included in the teaching or indicated as Tattvamasi, who will be the one who will listen? Because the Shrota requires Indriya, etc. So that Chit Pratibimba will listen, then all the aspects which are unwanted, the Adhyastha Amsha, their Nishedha, then what remains is Atma. Otherwise, this Upadesha will become Niralambana, Anarthakaha Syat. So, Dwaram is needed. That Dwaram is Chidabhasa. But who will get moksha? You say Atma alone. Really speaking, the understanding, when I say I am doing Shravanam, so at that time it is Chidabhasa alone doing Shravanam through Buddhi Upadhi. And when the Jnanam takes place, then he understands I am Brahma. Etadeva Vishadayati. Now he explains this further. Shrotuhu syadupadeshasche तर्थवत्वं तथा भवेत् अध्यक्षस्य न चेदिष्टं श्रोतृत्वं कस्य तद् भवेत् श्रोतुः स्यादुपदेशश्चेदर्थवत्वं तथा भवेत् अध्यक्षस्य न चेदिष्टं श्रोतृत्वं कस्य तद् भवेत् श्रोतुः उपदेशः स्याच्चेत् तथा अर्थवत्वं भवेत्. Upadesha will become meaningful if it is given to the one who is listening. Shrotuhu upadeshah chet syat तथा अर्थवत्वं भवेत्. तथा, better reading is tada, because tada is more appropriate. Can change that to tada. Second line is creating two vikalpas. Adhyakshasya na ched ishtam. Adhyaksha means Atma. If you say the Shrotrutvam is not belonging to Atma, Kasya tat Shrotrutvam bhavet, then who will have Shrotrutvam? So, Shrotuhu syad upadeshasched arthavatvam tada bhavet in the Tika. Tatha sati, he has given tatha. Tatha means tatha sati arthavatvam bhavet. Or you say tada, either way is okay. Tacha shrotrutvam adhyakshad anyan na sambhavati ityaha. That shrotrutvam is not possible anywhere other than in Atma. If adhyakshasya na ishtam ched, then kasya shrotrutvam bhavet na kasyapi. Then nobody will have shrotrutvam. I mean, nobody will be shrota. Atma alone is the right candidate. Yadyapi adhyakshasya nopadesha tathapi na vayarthyam iti shankate. Now Purvapakshi is going to give some vikalpas. That even if Upadesha is not for Atma, Upadesha is not Vyartha. It can be for Buddhi. This is what Purvapakshi is suggesting. Adhyakshasya samipe syat buddhereveti chenmatam na tatkrutopacarosti काष्ठाद् यद्वन्न कल्प्यते अध्यक्षस्य समीपे स्यात् बुद्धेरेवेति चेन्मतम् न तत्कृतोपकारोऽस्ति काष्ठाद्यद्वन्न कल्प्यते. पूर्व पक्ष will give vikalpa. He says adhyakshasya samipe buddheः एव स्यात् इति मतं चेत् or iti chet. Up to this पूर्व पक्षी will say. Let's say Atma itself in the proximity of Buddhi, that Buddhi will have the Jnatritvam. So it is not Vyartha. Buddhi will listen to Shrotritvam. It will listen. It will have the Upadesha. If that is your Matam, then he gives two Vikalpas. So that part we will see in the following session. Now you can see this much portion. Na tatkrita upakaro asti kasthadi yadvat na kalpyate. There is no upakara done in buddhi because of the proximity of Atma. Just like proximity of kashtha does not add anything to buddhi. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.